Hey everyone, ACME has another battery pretreatment production line about to be completed. Come on, this production line mainly consists of an electrically charged crushing system, a pyrolysis system, a sorting and separation system, and an exhaust gas treatment system. It's used for the pretreatment of lithium iron phosphate batteries, and the annual processing capacity can reach around 10,000 tons. This here is the electrically charged crushing system of our production line. After the battery is crushed with electricity, it will enter the pyrolysis system. In an oxygen-free environment and at a temperature range of 400 to 600 degrees Celsius, it can efficiently remove the electrolyte, separator, and PVDF and other organic components in the battery. After the pyrolysis, the materials, after being cooled down by the cooling system, will enter the sorting and separation system. Then, valuable metal elements like black powder, copper powder, aluminum powder, and steel shells are finally separated to achieve the maximum utilization of resources. At the same time, we have an exhaust gas treatment system, making sure that the exhaust gas produced during the whole processing meets the emission standards of the Comprehensive Emission Standards for National Atmospheric Pollutants. The design of the entire production line, including manufacturing, can provide a personalized solution according to your needs.